People don't know me the facts now, come for that facts now. It's what I try to say. Yeah man. Boy, man, I tell you. My brother, yeah, something really wrong with him, you know. You see me? It's like, I don't want to see the brother, I must say, Alkaline ex-manager and thing, you see me? I don't know, I really don't know what that brother, he might go through a depression. I wonder if at least a brother or something, you understand? I don't know what really are going. You see it, cause my brother forward out and I chat one bag of nonsense. You see it? And he don't even know when really I said, man, man, expose himself, bro. I say, oh, John, people, we never really see what I talk about. You see me? Up on the video.
Right up.
Yeah.
And then you're going to suit up Alkaline.
Yeah, me I tell her.
And the son called right.
Because a bag at I won't if I think that go on, man. I won't if I think man get beat. I want to be road manager, them beat him up big wicked.
Oh, right.
Yeah, man. I want to feel you them old and teeth get lick out, man.
Fresh
So
drop.
we signed a contract, but it was not an extensive contract. So we basically said, all right, here what we're going to do. We're going to sign this contract for 5 years, and then after a year, we see what we did, and we're going to sign the real contract.
Right.
It was mine. It's because, to be honest with you, there was no way me did believe that this thing would work in a 1 year. Me know the move.
Yeah, man, people, I just see the video a while ago. It's like, after so many years, right, as an ex-manager for Alkaline, we see a forward out already, and we say, alright, brothers, I don't know how much I prove. Forward out the second time again, until I end up on live now. Brother, you're gonna say, you did a walk in and bullet alcohol or whatsoever, and your son save you. Your son save him or whatsoever. Brother, it's my time after this. You say, man beat up alcohol whatsoever, and I feel ashamed, mate, you know. I say, brother, you know, no sense, you know. You can see, say, your emotions are very high. You see me? Emotions are very high, brother. Because we are talking now, in a sense. Like, after so many years being a manager, bro, this not even look, if you go be a next manager for your artist, and you come out and say all of them look a thing, brother, it's bad for business. Me I tell you, nobody now look on you professionally. You see me? Because, I don't know, maybe through Alkaline, you hear about too much shows you're going to do now, or whatsoever. You feel like that get to your emotions now. You say, no, man, you do so great. I walk on. Zine, you say, you come out and say a lot of things about man with your car and whatsoever. You never see nobody. You be a hearsay I work with. See? Brother, we all look for a wrong artist. You try to look at clout. You will say, yo, you not look no clout, you not do this. Then why you forward out after so many years? And that more I know because, brother, you're a man, brother. I understand if it's a woman I forward out and talk, but you're a man, bro.
I may represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them match. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them match. Media Fox, Media Fox, Media Fox, Media Fox. Media Fox RTV. I represent for the latest music and trending news. One Media Fox.
You found out no one attack all of them things would even make no sense. Something I gone years ago. Here's what I'm trying to say. You have found out now with this and all of them. It don't make no sense, brother. We are trying to prove we're doing this. We're something we gone years ago. We are trying to do because you say you're not look no clout or whatsoever, but you look clout, brother. You see me? And because you see what going on in the media, you don't know people are trying to hate Alka when Scatter bring up the footer hype thing. We must say to Alkaline cut out, you forward out, I try back. With footer say or whatsoever. I don't understand you, bro. Like, yeah, say you not look clout, but yeah, use other thing to go against Alka, bro. Like, if you're a man fall out, you're a man just fall out, brother. Is what I'm trying to say. You, I do and say all of them look a thing, brother. It's like, bro, you're a man, bro, man up, bro. How much people out there where people and them follow worse and worse things than where you go through. And a man now out there come from media and ball and say this and I say that, brother. Like, you can't get over things, bro. Like, brother. How long you go follow out and say all of them madness, yeah? You understand? Because we are saying it don't make no sense. You see me? Because you go say, oh, you did go in and dirt, alcohol, whatsoever, and And your son call and ask you, where you there? So I say, bro, this doesn't make no sense, bro. It's not make no sense. Cause you all come out come say that now, like, come on, bro, like, you coming out and say that. No, maybe no. Maybe if Alka do see it, cause you know Alka not really pre them thing there. If Alka do see it, I know Alka gonna know, bro. You coming out and say, yo, I did the out of the road and I did I go do this and my son see your son call and bro, you say one bag of thing and I'm in a sense. You see it? What you say now in a sense, brother? All the way you say. You see it? So you forward how long you go forward out now and say all of them things. We say about Alka and whatever. You see it? So bro, man up. Focus on your family. Is what I'm trying to say, focus on your family. We are come out and say now make no sense. You see me? No sense it now make. You see it? Situation. As a manager, you shouldn't even come out and say them things. Cause as somewhere been for years. You see, gone for years every little thing. So you are forward out and say all that this now make no sense. You see, you forward out, you talk about one bag of thing, Alkaline go through one manager and money and whatsoever. And remember you come up with video and say you want you invest and you take what you put in, which and say you do business. You see it. And if Alka say oh you are robbing money and him cut and low you. Brother, man cut. What the problem? You understand? Because at the end of the day, him are the boss, him are the artist. You see it? You're just a manager. But you can't just fire him, can't fire you. So if man feel like you rob him, man just go find somebody else. Or do him own a thing. You see me? But you coming out to do all of them look at thing, brother, it don't make no sense. You see it? If you come down now, man. Cause you just make things worse for yourself right now. You see me? You make things worse for yourself. You coming out to say all of them look at thing. And the way you say it not even sound true, bro. You see it? It not even sound true. Now I say it couldn't happen, but the way you talk like and you keep on talking about this clothing. Bro, you better than that, brother. You see me? You better than that. Because you're looking clout. Because if you never look no clout, after so many years you would come out here and talk about Alkaline. A lot of things are going great for Alkaline right now. I have a couple shows. All of them little things, them name always in the media. You see me? So you are trying to use certain little things for try to get a little heads or get a little clout off of the situation. You see me? So you are talking about clout. Now make no sense. You see me? Now make no sense at all. You see it? So all the way you do, you just need for us. Go live your life, brother. You see me? Live your life. You see it? Focus on your family and all of them little things, bro. Because you forward now, you say you get enough money, you get enough pay and you highly paid and whatever. Then go live your life, brother. Do your work and all of them little things there. You see me? So all the way you say, it don't make no sense. As though you just feel grieve in a depression or something, bro. Because it's like you can't stop. You see me? Because you maybe feel like say you're going to get nothing from this or what you do. You see me? It's not gonna make you reach nowhere, bro. It's just gonna make you look away and it worse for you because nobody not really paying no mind. You see me? Nobody not paying no mind. You see it? So all the way I say and do just make things worse. Just make things worse for you as a manager. Because artists are gonna see this and say, yo, him could not do the same thing. You see me? Him could not do the same thing. So you just need to sort out your thing and just be a better manager. You see me? Because the way you talk. Nah, look. You see it? Yeah, man. So you just need to humble yourself, brother. You falling out on the internet. First of all, Alkaline don't even talk. I'm not even meant to media and all of them look at things, brother. So you falling say all of this. Yeah, say you that love for him come talk and man, bro. Like you know some depression, brother. Like as a man, your man here come out and like, yeah, say yo, you just a talk and like, bro, there are a lot of things we never talk about. But you don't know Alkaline are the man, so if him name always a go call. Or when you don't see him a deed, nobody a talk to nobody. You see me? But you go forward out and say, yo, you did a go dirt, Alka. You understand? You did a go bullet him or something. See now your son call you and whatsoever. So it never bother happen. And man, pump out teeth and one bag of thing and bro, I don't know. Something really wrong with you, brother. You see me? You need some mental health. You need some doctor, you need to see some mental health doctor or something, cause look like you're not stop and it'll raise up your pressure like you can't rest. You see me? It's like you can't rest at all, brother. You see me? Cause right now you just make things worse by yourself. I don't know if Vendetta fans are going to see all this and you see me? You may believe overseas yes or so, but brother, what you do? You say you're a manager, this not even good for your thing, bro. You see me? Just low it. You see it. Low that little energy, brother. Cause nah, we are saying nah make no sense. Nah make no sense, brother. You see me? People are gonna see this and say, oh, I'm to the youth. Like, yeah man, brother, you come out and you keep on talk about a man and what happened and whatsoever, bro. Like, come on, man. Leave that to the woman them, brother. You see me? Leave that to the woman them. You see it? Cause it nah make no sense. You see me? No sense at all. It nah make. So you need to sort out certain little things. Maybe if you just go on some trip or something, brother. Get a life. You say you make money, but you dip on the internet every day talk about alkaline. Nah make no sense, brother. Like, come on, how you dip on the internet? I call man and whatever been through and not even like the alkaline I reply to you or whatsoever, bro. Nobody not see you, brother. You see me? Nobody not see you. So all you have to do is just sort out your silver, sort out your mental, brother. You see me? Cause I look like you can't get over this. You see me? Like you can't get over this at all. I don't know what happened to you or what. You see me? But you need to just sort out yourself. The depression, I don't know, maybe something wrong with you, you dip on some pill and you just trigger off or whatever. You see it? Because I think one of the time you say, oh, yeah, depression and can't make you sleep or whatsoever. I say, brother, if I did that stage you reach, go see a doctor, man. See a doctor or a counselor or something, brother. If it traumatize your life. You see me? I understand if you did forward out early, we could have said, okay. But yeah, forward after so many years, bro. So many years you hold on for something, brother. It's not like a female where you know them more fear, but bro, yeah man, you hold on for something for so many years. Like at this moment, you have to hold on to talk all of this. Hmm? How can a man come on the internet and say him did have a dirt, man? Like tell me real now. And I'm son, save him or whatever. Hmm? Tell me now. Him did have a dirt, man. You see me? Him have the tool in him hand for go dirt, man. I mean, I feel ashamed, man. I say, brother, you know, no sense, you know. Yeah, man, tell you, brother, like, the man are different. You see me? We are different. So look, you know, so on a certain people, and then put your life or whatever, and then go see all this, and I say, that did I go on? But you see, that's the thing, you know. Because Alkaline is an artist when they're too talk or so. So it's like everybody feel like that when them easy feel like forward out and say anything or class him or diss him or all of them look at something, you know. You see me? That's how them feel. Them feel highly and mighty, powerful. Because him knows Alkaline meds that are sent on him state himself. So it's easier for forward out and diss him or all of them look at thing there. You see me? But them not understand say look here. Alkaline is like a solar system. See? Where the haters of the sun and him just generate strength. You understand? That is alkaline. Alkaline is a solar system. Heaters are the sun, him generate the strength, and him get more powerful. You understand? Him get more energy. You see me? Yeah, that alkaline. Over the years, I hate and fight turn him into something with him love. You see me? Yeah, cause if somebody never hate alkaline, maybe things would are different, but I just say go. And more them hate him and more him successful, and more him name called up in the media, and more promotion for him. You understand? Cause remember, you know, them nasty alkaline in the media, you know. I just him name. You see me? So I'm more promotion for him. Cause people are gonna say, if somebody don't know Alka, they must say, yo, who's that alkaline guy? When them hear that now, they might go say, must start look him up. So him be artist, start listen him song. Maybe like when I'm song them too. You understand? So some of the time, you know, it good for people eat. You understand? Because people are gonna eat and who want to find out. That's up some people are gonna find out when people eat is what I'm trying to say. Yeah, but that's how it go. Because sometimes people eat for no reason, you know. Yeah man. And when it not enough to do with you, people just hate. And that's how it go. You see me? Yeah. So when them say alkaline right now, I'm doing thing. You see, I have a couple shows I forward up. I have UK, I have Canada. See one I go maybe in Jamaica too. You see me? Maybe in some of the they must say maybe one go in Jamaica so. You know it's full out for here man. It's a good look for alkaline to a young artist. You see me? Gone a decade in a musical career. It's a good look man. You see me? Good look for you because you do good. Yeah man. Man himself. Militant. Him not too in the internet drama and all of them something. Them just music. Anything you want to talk. It's like how people are the artists for out in the media and talk. Alkaline talking and music. So if you want to hear what him say, listen to music and you hear what him say, who him address. Him not come from media and do them good things there, you see me? Yeah, and that one I think make him powerful. Because he mean business. You see me? Him know him value. Him hold value. Because If you can't want artists and you see them out every day or so in the street, like, what you got drop is like people lose respect. People say, oh, I see him overside, you know. So no anticipation, no there. You see me? Like, you can't just see Alkaline in here anyway. You have to look if you see him on a fax. You see me? You have to look if you see them on there. You not even to see them on there in the airport. You see me? You have to look if you see them on there in the airport. In a vehicle, in a car, all of them look at you. You have to look if you see them on there, man. I tell you. But he's a great artist still. You see it? Yeah, man, he's a great artist. Alka. You see me? Yeah, man, great artist. My dream thing. Quality music and all them things. Them don't really follow the wave. You see me? But I say, people are always hate him. You see me? One of them things, but he might get bigger and better. More them hate, you see me? But I don't know any people. I media facts, you know. Yeah, man, like, share, and subscribe. Is it? Yeah, man. You don't know, you go.